interviewed.
Oh my God!
Ma'am, please.
Can you please?
She's so pretty, oh my gosh.
Can you please?
Yeah. Oh my God! Yay! I'm losing my breath. Yay!
Stop thinking.
We open the top door. Jay!
I'm just streaming.
Oh my gosh, it's really
Oh my God! I'm losing my breath. Wait long.
This is for just a second. Come on.
Yeah, sure. You're smaller than me naman.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Jessica's so pretty. Come on.
Oh my God.
Look this way. Look this way.
Jay! Hold muna sa... Jay!
Oh my God.
Jessica! Jay! Jessica! Jay! I love you! Kuya, kang airpod.
This is just the best.
Hintay namin yan.
Ay, may fog na yun.
So pretty. Come on.
Guys, wipe the fog! Swipe!
Ay, naku, Nico, mamahalin mo yung camera mo.
Yeah, please. Jay! Jessica! Katayin nyo ba?
Jay!
Guys, wag mo siya. Let her be interviewed by the media.
Oh my gosh, I shouldn't be recognized.
Sorry, Nika, kasi hawak ko yung Ustream.
Guys, okay lang.
Can you like, tanggal the moist here?
Open the tarp.
Oh my God, Jessica is being interviewed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is.
She's very skinny. Siya yung unang lumabas.
No, it's DeAndre.
Oh my gosh, I'm freaking speaking in English here.
Ikaw na kaya mag-hold, Nika.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to be...
Mas year siya, kasi young siya.
Sige, go.
My God, you know what?
She's looking this way.
She waved at me kanina.
She wants to touch you.
Lang sa'yo lang.
No, she
I
waved at
shouldn't be recognized. I shouldn't be recognized.
Wait lang, hold on. May tagawat siya sa ilo.
Ay, labi.
In lababo.
Basunday.
Oh my God, she's so skinny. Hey! Hindi may nabibideo sa atin.
Para mataas.
There's a blood on her nose.
Please, I don't want to see.
She's bleeding.
What?
Is she bleeding?
No, it's not a blood, that's a pimple.
She has pimples?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's DeAndre. It's me.
Where's DeAndre?
No, she's...
She's in love. With more.
This is just...
Oh my God, she's so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Because she's...
She's a tatay.
This is a fairy tale. Oh my gosh, I couldn't imagine.
She really wants to meet us already.
She wanted to meet.
She wants to have more. She keeps on picking here. She wants to hug.